I love using construction script, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do spawn actor from class with Unreal Engine construction script. Alright, here I have a empty map, and let's create an actor, and let's call it bp underscore spawner. Let's place him inside the world and edit that. And now let's go to construction script tab, and the standard procedure would be to drag off node and type in spawn actor from class. However, as you can see, nothing is returned, so you don't have that option. Now let me show you workaround how you can do this. Alright, so there are actually multiple options when it comes to this trick, but you gotta be careful because construction script is actually meant to be executed every time when you move your actor, when you change a variable and stuff like that. So it keeps being re-executed. So that's why you have to be careful. And but let me show you the trick, and then I will explain the technicalities. Alright, so in order to be able to spawn actor, actually to use node, which is called spawn actor from class within editor, we have to create a separate script. Oh, sorry, I meant to say function, and let's call it my construction script. And let's now for a second go back to construction script, and let's immediately drag off our newly created function, and let's connect that like that. And now let's go inside my construction script. So this is our newly created, our own construction script. Alright, and let's now try to do some stuff. Let's now try to find spawn actor from class, and as you can see, it allows us to select spawn actor from class. And let's type in, let's add a text component, or actually maybe simple cube, so that we can differentiate our actor, so that we can see it inside the world. And now let's select the class. We can type in bp spawner, alright, and get actor transform. So I'm just gonna get this actor's transform in order to be able to do something. And let me actually add some offset. Alright. I just want to add some offset so that I don't have the same actor placed on itself. And let's add something like 100 centimeters as an offset. And now let's test that. Alright, now I have a single cube, and if I move it, nothing is changing. So sometimes this won't even work, but let me show you how to force it. Alright, so click on my construction script and go to settings over on the right side and check call in editor, compile and save. Now if we click on our actor again, we'll be able to scroll down and see, you can see the button which is labeled my construction script, and I can click on it right now, and as you can see, actor is being spawned. And now I can click on this one, boom, another one, and another one. However, this is why you have to be careful when you are using spawn actor from class node within construction script or at the editor time, because you can accidentally spawn many actors even if you don't want to do that. So be careful always plan what you want to do with the script, and maybe think about implementing something like delete all actors or update actors, maybe some sort of control so that you don't cause any trouble or cause the editor to crash. But let me show you what you can actually run into. If you click on this actor, and you can keep spamming the button, my construction script, and as you can see, actually what we would have is, instead of just 4 actors, we would have here copies that are completely unnecessary. So yeah, be careful about it. But if you know what you're doing, you'll be just fine. And yeah, this is the way to use spawn actor from class within construction script. Thank you for watching.